Thank you guys so much for supporting my Patreon page and for really supporting my creative journey. I promise to make exclusive, unique, and fun content. And I'm even open for suggestions on things you'd like to see me create, but I have some fun things up my sleeve and I can't wait to start this journey with you guys. Thank you again. I appreciate you more than you could even know. I made this. I call this Wild Bird Wall Decor. I made this chandelier from dollar store planters. I made this flower arrangement. And this plate. Anyone for tea? I made this chair. No, not really. I didn't make this chair. I made these gnomes. And these ones too. Unique things. We'll make miniatures like this. I made this 6-foot grandfather clock out of antique crates. Unique mobiles that hang from the ceiling. Paintings too. Let's turn old into new and new into old and everything in between. I built these bookshelves. I know how to build stuff. So let's make some stuff together. I made that. Life is just too short to not be fun. Hello, hello. Thanks a lot.